Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this I am going to write down the verilog code for up down counter. So let's begin. Module up down counter q up down, and we have clock and reset. In this up down we are giving the pulse. If it is 0 then it counts downwards, and if it is up then it counts upwards. We will see in the waveform output, and here we have to use vector form to see the output. Because it comes in 4 bits, we can give it as 7:0 as well if we want to see the output in 8 bits. Input up down, actually it shows hexadecimal values in the waveform. We will see reg 3:0 q and initializing it 0 value, then always block at the pause edge the clock. Begin if reset, then begin q will be assigned as 4 tick b0, and else if there is a up down pulse, then begin q will be assigned to q plus 1, and else begin q will be assigned as q minus 1. Okay, and and module. Writing the test bench for it. Module test, register reg up down, clock reset. Wire we have output 3:0 q up down, counter test q up down, clock reset. Initial begin dollar dump file test.vcd, dollar dump was up down, initializing the values as up down equals to 0, clock equals to 0, initial value. Reset, let first reset we are giving it as 0, and we are also not giving the pulse of the reset as well. Finish and okay, always hash. Let's say this much of delay we have, up down equals to toggling of up down, always hash 8. Let's take this much of delay in the clock and module. Our code has been completed. Now let's run it. Okay. So our code has been run successfully. See, we have the initial value 0 that we have given to output. If we haven't given reset pulse, it is 0, and the up down pulse we have, let's take it is 0 initially. So it in the clock edge, when the clock edge comes, this up down is 0, so it counts downwards. So 0 it backs to F value, that is the 15 value, and then again it counts down, that is the E, we have 14, then D 13, C, B, and so on. But when we have this up down pulse as high, then it counts upwards in the as the next clock edge of the clock occurs. See, this is the B here value, and then it increases C, then again in the next clock edge it increases D, E, and so on. Okay, uh, let's uh, give reset pulse. If we are giving it, let's see what's happened. Suppose I am giving here reset equal to 0, and there is another block, let's say always hash reset, that is equals to negation of reset pulse. Now let's see what will happen. See, as the reset pulse is 0 till here, the counter works normally, that is F, E, D, C, B, but as soon as the reset pulse occurs, the value will become 0. Okay, thank you everyone.